and you can be fairly assured that that will lend prediction into the future, and you're going to know, whether it's going to be up or down, and you're also pretty much alerted to areas which don't just congest and go sideways. But what's really spectacular about the Khit mathematics is it's showing you an area that tends to make a big move up or down. So when you're trading, you definitely don't want to get in a sideways movement. You want to get into a movement that's moving up or down in a pretty determined way. So the nice thing about the Khit algorithm is it gets you into the market in an area which is going to show a large amount of movement. So you've got a big move up or a big move down. That's why in the Euro move, that predicted that very, very successfully in the future. And also the Dow movement that I calculated predicted the big, huge downturn in the Dow, several days in advance. We had the whole Dow just plunging right down. And then in the sugar market, the market was congested going sideways. And then several days before the big drop came up in the sugar market, the Khit algorithm gave you the point that was going to happen, and then suddenly after several days, the floor went out from the sugar market and it dropped right down. The nice thing about the Khit algorithm is it gets you into a point so that you have a little bit of advanced warning. So you're several days or whatever a number of days before the event happens, you're pretty much tuned into the fact that there's going to be a bigger event happen, most likely in some direction that you're pretty much aware that it's going to go in. So not only is it a good algorithm that predicts the future, but it unlocks an area of the market that typically many times, more often than not, gives you a very sizable, large trade that you can just sit in there and do very well with in terms of profit.